What's up, Ballpark fans? It's Nick from American Ballpark Road Trip. A few months ago, I had the opportunity to connect with Flywheel Brands based out of Hickson, Tennessee. And they were looking for potential customers to do some cut and sew hat samples for. And I have had some interest in doing some merch for ABRT, as well as getting some custom hats to wear on screen during future episodes of the show. So I reached out and was really lucky to work with their amazing executive and creative team to get some cut and sew sample hats done based on some inspirations that I sent them. So that process was really awesome in the ability to send some hats that I love and would love to have replicated with some ABRT branding and have their feedback and provide some excellent hats. So those hats have arrived. I have the hats that I sent to give them some inspiration and the unboxing right here, right now of those Flywheel Brands hats. I've gone ahead to save some time and cut open the box. I have not seen these yet though, and I'm so excited. So let's dive right in. And as we go over each one, I'll pull that hat that I sent for inspiration and we'll do a little compare, contrast, and see just how cool these hats turned out. And yeah, I mean, first look, not even out of the plastic. The finished product is just beyond belief. We'll go one by one here. So the first one is this hat. It is the rope style hat, an awesome mesh ventilated back, and this hat feels super good. It's super soft with our ABRT diamond logo in the red and white colorway. So the hat that I sent to inspire this one is actually my Melon brand hat, rope style. These hats are made to last, made to survive heat, humidity, water, stress, and have a ventilated back as well. So they did an awesome job in building that hat with some ABRT branding. Couldn't be happy enough. And that's just one of three that we have here. So the next one, for a little context, I love the Diamond Dry MILB and Major League Baseball hats from New Era, and loved the late 90s, early 2000s, even mid 2000s all mesh batting practice hats. So the very first road trip that my grandfather and I took that inspired American Ballpark Road Trip featured a stop in Des Moines, Iowa at the Iowa Cubs, and for 10 bucks I picked up this Iowa Cubs all mesh hat. It's a little bit too big for me still, but I wear it, and it's an awesome memory from that very first road trip in this kind of all mesh. So I sent that to Flywheel Brands, gave them a little bit of context on that, and this is what they came back with our awesome American Ballpark Road Trip word mark, as well as the on the road since 2008 hidden in that wordmark logo if you ever see it on our show branding or our social graphics. This is also a vented mesh style hat and flex fit, so it's going to be breathable, comfortable, and yeah, there's the matchup. So to connect kind of the history and the inspiration of the show with the future and hopefully future merch of the show was awesome. Final hat, this off-the-shelf Hurley hat with this ocean print on it and a mesh back, and nothing to me says on the road and going on a road trip or being outdoors like an all-American trucker hat. And that's what we have here. Full mesh back, semi-padded front, and look at that ABRT diamond logo patch, including some of those smaller letters. I know some screen printers or embroiderers may have trouble with that, but this patch looks amazing on this hat. As I said, nothing says on the road more than a trucker, and there is the comparison of the two. So I cannot wait to wear these new hats from Flywheel Brands on future episodes of ABRT when you see me on camera, as well as good old Reliable here. In the future, if you would like to have your own American Ballpark Road Trip merch, something to wear on your own ballpark road trip, you got to reach out to us. You got to let us know, drop a comment, reach out to us via our socials, email, comment on one of our episodes on YouTube, and let us know that you want to see some ABRT merch, because the reason I named the show American Ballpark Road Trip, it isn't just about us going to ballparks and showing you what to see in those ballparks and those communities and how to interact with those teams as a fan. It is about taking your own American Ballpark Road Trip. So that's why it's not Nick Carey's American Ballpark Road Trip. It is the American Ballpark Road Trip show to inspire you to take your own. And what better way to do that in the future than rep some ABRT merch, telling folks you're on your own American Ballpark Road Trip. So let us know about that. Let me get all the hats together here again. Thank you so much to Flywheel Brands for putting these cut and sew samples together. And it is, up to the fans if we do some merch in the future and do more hats like that, but you got to let us know. So thanks so much again to Flywheel Brands. Thank you for watching this video. And as we end each episode, we will see you on the road.